Backcountry Health. Today we're going to go over how to do a lateral step down. This is a great exercise for your single leg balance, your hip control, and especially if you're someone who's had knee tracking issues, maybe you're a runner and you're getting some repetitive stress injuries. All those things can be addressed with this exercise if you do it properly. So Dr. Tyler is going to demonstrate for us, and you could use a lower platform if you're just starting out or you're really struggling with your knee instability, and then you could progress to a higher box over time, something about 3/4 of your knee height. So let's start on the low platform. And things you want to be thinking about with this exercise, right, is you want to stand tall at the top of the box, keep those shoulders down and back, nice posture. I would take that deep breath in, stabilize through the core, and then you're going to basically squat down on one leg. You can tap your heel to the floor. If that's too far down for you, you could just tap your toes. And you want to think about keeping that knee tracking right in line with the middle of your toes, right? So you want to avoid that knee collapsing to the inside. Things you could think about there are using a nice active foot, gripping the box to create that stable arch and ankle. That's going to help that knee go right in line with the toes. And you also want to avoid rounding at the spine or bending forward. Tyler, maybe you could do a few from the side view for us. So again, he's going to be hinging at the knee and at the hip, but he's not going to be bending forward or rounding through his back as he goes up and down. And then if that's easy, you can go to the high box and you can do the exact same thing. Challenge yourself with a little bit deeper range of motion. The other thing you could do to make this exercise harder, number one, slow it down. I see a lot of people going way too fast. If you're just banging out the reps, that's not necessarily going to give you the most benefits. You want to focus on movement quality. You can see his knees staying straight in line with his toes, quality over quantity. You could also add a weight to this if it starts to get too easy and progress yourself over time. You could do something like 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions with this, or whatever we prescribe to you in the clinic. All right, that's your lateral step down, also known as a modified pistol squat. Thanks for watching.